Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my Quicrypto review. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. So, Quicrypto is a money-making application that is promising you guys out there free cryptocurrency by completing surveys, playing games, and completing offers. A good thing about Quicrypto is that it's actually available in multiple countries, which is great to see. Once you've downloaded and installed Quicrypto, you'll notice straight away that you are entered into a tutorial mode. Once you've completed this tutorial mode, you would then be able to actually activate your first cash out straight away, which is very unique for money making apps. I haven't really seen this kind of system before, which I can appreciate. I had to watch a certain amount of advertisements before I was able to activate that cash out, and I was prompted that it should take a day or so to hit my crypto wallet. We'll get back to that cash out experience in a couple of minutes, but for now, let me just run you through the basics of Quicrypto and what you can expect while using it. This is the main page of Quicrypto. As you can see, it's laid out so easily that anyone can pretty much understand it straight off the bat. At the top of the screen, you're going to have the currency of points. Any offer or game you play or survey you complete will add points to this balance. This chart will give you a basic understanding of how many points are needed for a certain amount of Bitcoin or Litecoin. Now you'll notice at the top of the screen there's a tab that states that you can claim a Blitz mission. This mission will grant you free points once you complete it. For instance, this mission states that I can earn 6,000 points if I complete the offer of Coin Predict, where the rules are that I have to download the application, open it, and vote for my 5 favorite coins. It does also state that any type of VPN or proxy usage will result in my account being terminated. You also have the option to skip the mission if you can't be bothered doing it or you just don't want to. Generally, with any money-making application, you don't want to use a VPN, everyone, so just keep that in mind. The same concept applies with this app as well. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a piggy bank. This piggy bank is a very interesting little feature. It seems the more effort that you put into the application, the more coins that you actually generate as a bonus. And if you log in 7 days in a row, it seems that you are able to actually crack open the piggy bank and claim the bonus points that you've generated. It does state that you get a 5% extra bonus in the piggy bank, so I'm assuming the offers that you complete, you get 5% that goes straight into the piggy bank for free. Now, let's make our way down the homepage of Quicrypto. So, the first thing is the Playtime Rewards tab. That's right, everyone, there is a Playtime Rewards feature on Quicrypto, which I really can appreciate. I love it when applications include this type of earning feature. There are so many different games for me to actually play and earn points on, as you can see. The list just literally keeps on going and going and going. Just a little disclaimer though, I wasn't able to earn on some of these applications because it seems I've already used them on other earning apps. So keep that in mind, everyone. If you're not a new user, some of these games will not register the Playtime reward. Luckily enough, I was able to earn 124,000 points on Fire Hero 2D. Next up, we have the Iron Source Offer Wall. Now, the Iron Source Offer Wall is going to give you offers that will literally pay you millions of these points. Something to keep in mind here, usually the more expensive or better paying offers are actually going to take the longest to complete and generally are the hardest, but from what I can see, they are actually offering up so many different potential ways for you guys to generate these points, which is again very nice to see. Something that you don't want to have on a money-making application is no variety to earn the currency, but thankfully from what I can tell, the Iron Source Offer Wall is a fantastic way to earn these points that you're going to need to convert into cryptocurrency. Next up, we have the referral program. This is where the application will reward you for inviting your friends or people from around the world with 10% of whatever points that they cash out within 365 days completely for free. So that is quite a nice little system they have here. Next up, we have the Ethereum Reach Surveys tab. Now, as you can see on Ethereum Reach, I'm able to actually earn quite a considerable amount of points for completing surveys. When completing surveys though on these type of money-making applications, just remember, disqualifications will run rampant, okay? There's not much you can really do about it but answer honestly and try not to rush through the survey. It's as straightforward as that. Sadly, there's no real silver bullet to earning money fast with survey applications or any type of survey methods. Now we have the Polefish surveys option. I did notice that Polefish did not have the same amount of points per survey that Ethereum Reach had. So the best thing that I can advise as well when going to use this application is to shop around for the different survey providers just to make sure you're getting the best price for completing surveys. We also have the Ad Gem offer wall. The Ad Gem offer wall did provide me with some pretty decent tasks and surveys to complete, but I honestly stuck mainly to completing surveys on this app. I personally enjoy completing surveys rather than completing the offers, but that's my personal preference. I know for a fact that some of you guys out here may really love the offer walls that are provided on here. The choice is completely up to you either way. Next, we have the In-Brain Surveys tab. Sadly, this tab was not available in my country. I'm not too sure why, but hopefully it does become available soon. And then we have the Offer Toro tab. Again, just like the previous offer walls we just saw, you'll find various different offers, tasks, and surveys to complete. So the choice is yours again, guys. As I mentioned, I really do like completing the survey, so I didn't really spend too much time on the Offer Toro offer wall. But I know, again, that you guys out there really do like your offers, so feel free to browse through the Offer Toro offer wall. Now, the last tab is the Join Our Social Channel tab. Here in my country, it will reward me with 2,000 points to join their Facebook group, and I'm fairly sure they may have other groups as well. I cashed out roughly 1.1 million of these points, and I am very happy to say, everyone, literally within about an hour or so, I was paid my Litecoin cryptocurrency straight to my crypto wallet, which was Coinbase, without any issues whatsoever. Those points converted into roughly 74 cents worth of Australian currency. So while you definitely won't get rich while using this application, at least I can say at the time of this recording, it is legitimate and will pay you the crypto. My final piece of earning advice is to make sure you check out all the different available offers, tasks, and games that you can play to earn these points, and be sure to check out the Blitz missions as well because they generate every single hour. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I helped someone out there, and thank you to the To Quicrypto team for sponsoring today's video. Catch you all around.